So now I'm doing an experiment on the heat generated by the process of germination. So the first step of the thing is you take some seeds and you soak it for one night in a lot of water, and then after that the soaked seeds, once you soak the seeds, the actual experiment begins. One day later. So here's how the the beans have gotten, the seeds have gotten to. So they're wet and a few are already starting to germinate. So now we actually begin the experiment. So now we have to take 2 bottles and then we start. So we resume the project right now. So what we need now is 2 bottles. One has to have a little bit of water and a cloth. They both need their caps on. So what you're going to do now is separate these two and see that if we are keeping in different bottles. One has no water, one has water. We see if we know that when seeds germinate, they produce heat, and we are going to see whether which one is going to produce more heat. So we open these two. Okay, and now we just get some. Just need to divide it properly. Okay, I think I can put. Oh, it's risky. We might be eating this later. So no need of putting it on the cloths. Not cloths. Yeah. So now here we go. See, it's filling up. So many are spilling. Whoa, that's a lot. Wee. There's still more. Don't get too excited that I'm done. Nah, this is really hard to put all of them without spilling the seed. Take a little more. One more handful. You know, to see another thing here. There was so less water here. Do you wonder why the water level has risen up here? It looks like as if all these seeds have displaced the space taken by the water, and then the water's moving up. Okay? And now we pour everything onto this. It's easier to put into such a small container. Such a big, wide-mouthed container. Lesser things are getting spilled. Sorry. Yeah, this is how you're supposed to do it. If you don't have clear ones, at least keep it in a way that at least you can see from the clear side. This is really weird. But doesn't it look like that there's more seeds inside this one than in the one with the honey? This big jar. See, the level is higher. Does that mean there are more seeds? No, that's because there is how do I explain? There is more space for more seeds to go and sit. It's wider. So the level, the more seeds you put, the level rises a little. But in this, the more seeds you put, the level rises more because with each level the seeds place to sit, or very little place to sit. Equally dividing them. Whoa, that's a lot. I never knew it was so much. Now there are also few skins, seed skin. These are really wet. I'm not sure if I'm doing a fair test. Oh god. But this has more water, like seriously, you can see that. Oh, I really have to wash up. So this is how you keep it. So yeah, I just made my hands dry. Now what you do with the cloth is place them over the two so that no water evaporates away or escapes, and just enclose them. And if you want better view, just fold this backwards. So as you can see, we are ready. So I think we wait for a few days and see the progress. Reminder, just keep it near the sun just in case they need sunlight. Oh wait, actually, do seeds need sunlight to germinate? I don't think so. They only need it to make food. Actually, yeah, because sunlight is only needed for food. For breaking open from the seed shell, they don't need sunlight. So I'll keep it here for a few days and let's see the result. Hi all, so this is the first update. So this is the day 2. So this is the progress we have made till now. As you can see, in the big jar, all of them have sprouted properly, and in the narrower jar, only a few on the top are sprouting. Do you wonder why? There's more water in the narrower jar, but how does that make any difference in the speed of germination? Why is that affecting this? I really wonder why, how this all happens. Like this one was dry and had nothing to do, and it's like sprouted very well. But here, all you can see is the ones that are dry have sprouted. So what my conclusion is that the seed, you need dryness for like sprouting properly. And if there is moisture or something wet around you, probably it might be hard for moisture. For germination, sorry. And here there was not a single drop of water. Whoa! There was not a single drop of water, and see how well it has germinated. So both of them have had a lot of difference in the germination speed. So we'll do it for a few more days and we'll check which one, we'll check the heat too. And we'll also have to see which one will get the most of the seeds germinated first. Hi all, so this is the last day we are doing the experiment. Now let's see how much germination both of them have done. So here, like the seeds have totally germinated, they are ready for being planted or eaten. And here, not many of them have germinated fully because there's a lot of moisture here. So now, for the experiment, let's check the temperature and see which one is hotter and which one is warmer. So open this, and then this is the thermometer. It's not giving much. Let's stop. Just a sec. Okay, showing blank here. I don't know what that means. So I don't think so there's any heat given. So that probably means there's no heat generated here in this case. Now let's see if there is any heat generated. This too is showing 0. Okay, probably there must be some problem. But this feels warmer than this. Yeah, so what I do think is that when seeds totally germinate, they give off heat, and when they totally germinate, they give off heat. So here they're not germinated totally, so there's not much heat given. But here all of the seeds are germinated fully, so they give off heat properly, or they give off little heat. So now that we have, so today we have learned when seeds totally germinate, they give off heat, but when they are not germinated, they don't give off heat. And another thing we learned is that when seeds are damp and they're kept in a like a dry container or a dry enclosure, that time they germinate properly. But when they are kept alongside some moisture or water, they don't germinate properly.